Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we have another questions, and can you solve it? If you wanna give a try, please pause the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. So we have this number look quite big, and we need to represent x equal to 2025, but as you can see this is only 2024, so we have to convert it to 2025 minus 1. So then we can write as 2025 raised to the power 5 minus 2025 minus 1 raised to square. Okay, and then 2025 cube plus 2 times 2025 square plus 3 times 2025 plus 4. Okay, so then represent, or you can say let x equal to 2025, because when we let x equal to 2025, it is easy for us to write, so make the expression is smaller. So then we will get b equal to x to the power 5 minus x minus 1 raised to square, and then x cubed plus 2 times x squared plus 3 times x plus 4. Okay, and then we can expand x minus 1 square, so we will get x squared minus 2x and then plus 1, x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, so the next step we need to expand these two factors. So I will get x raised to power 5 factor with, I will take x squared multiply into the second factors, so we will get x raised to power 5 and then plus 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 4x squared, and then it is minus 2x turn, so we will get minus 2x raised to the power 4 and then minus 4x cubed and then minus 6x squared minus 8x, and now is the last term. We got 1 and then we have to multiply 1 into the second factor. We will get x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x and then plus 4. Okay, now let's check the second factor. So we got 2x to the power 4 and then minus 2x to the power 4. We can cancel it out. Okay, and then here we got 3x cubed and here is another x cubed, that will be 4x cubed. When we minus 4x cubed, then that will be cancelled out as well. Okay, so let me draw this to make sure it's all cancelled out. And now we have to look at the x squared term, so we will get here is 4x squared and then here is 2x squared, so then that will be 6x squared. Then we can cancel out with minus 6x squared, so that is cancelled out. Okay, and now we got here minus 8x plus 3x, that will be minus 5x. Okay, so we will get x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 and then minus 5x plus 4. So then expand this, we will get minus x to the power 5 and then plus 5x minus 4. So now we can cancel x to the power 5 and minus x to the power 5, then we will get 5x minus 4. Okay, so x is equal to 2025. We can substitute x by 2025 and then minus 4. So 5 times 2025, that will be equal to 1, 0, 1 and 25 minus 4. So that will be equal to 1, 0, 1, 21. Okay, So finally, I have solved this question and I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.